Alright, so we had a bad windstorm. Newsman said breezy my ass. 60-mile-an-hour gust ripped the damn greenhouse apart, so this is what it looks like on the outside now. So I'm going to take you on the inside real quick here. Alright, good morning. So I had to use the prep station because I ran out of room. And this is all pretty much the same, maybe a little bit more growth. The perennials are doing a little bit better, they're starting to recover a little bit, some of them. All this back here. Tomatoes are starting to bloom. I thought that was kind of weird. So I had to move these guys. And back over in this part. Let's see if I can. Some herbs and some chilies, some peppers and different varieties of tomatoes and stuff. And these are the two tubs right here. That's going to be for the aquaponics. Those are the bell siphons. And there you can see the parts to those. This is a sump that I put in down there in the bottom. So there's a sump down there that I carry the overflow. Here's the other one, another bell siphon and a pump. Some useless parts. Fish tank, of course. 22 fish. They're still living. Same over in the corner hiding. So, and then we did this right here, lined it, filled it up, got a pump in there, and built these vertical grow towers. So, added to it and took some of the stuff off the top, get more light down in here. So, weather's turning nice, so we should see some rapid growth here. Problems with the pumps. And that is a screen door. Don't walk through it. Alright, there you are. Yeah. Look at those strawberries. Very nice. Very nice. Let's try this again. It's recording this time. New fish tank, full of water, grow beds, 2 new grow beds in, installed, working, sump in the bottom working, pump working. Strawberries have been trimmed and pruned. Wind blew off the plastic. I had to put on my summer screen earlier than I wanted to anyway. But seems to be working okay. That way I can control the temperature in here. It'll never be, it should be a couple of degrees cooler in here than it is outside at least. So, all kinds of goodies, peppers, tomatoes, herbs, spices, jungle of tomato plants everywhere. Cucumbers, zucchinis, eggplants, cayenne peppers, bell peppers. Where's my bell pepper? Ooh, you're in there somewhere. Oh, looky. Crazy beds. This shit works good. Crazy beds. There we go. Nice, big, beautiful cherry tomato. That was just a stem stuck in there, so it's kind of like a clone. Original fish tank. Trouble keeping it warm. 63.5 degrees. Plugged in heater. We'll run that for a couple of days. you. Oh, greenhouse. Greenhouse. There you go.